In some places, it is a common practice that devotees, often in a festive mood, eat vegetarian sausages and drink non-alcoholic beer. This is not true. This is bogus. It's not true. Devotees don't eat vegetarian sausages and drink non-alcoholic beer. What devotees? How is it? Devotees, they take that which is offered to Krishna for Krishna's satisfaction. And they take in a spirit of service to Krishna. We serve prasadam by honoring that. So I don't accept this, that devotees take vegetarian sausages and drink non-alcoholic beer. What kind of devotee is that? The arguments are, there is no meat inside and no alcohol either. That's true of stool. You can eat stool if you like. We understand that it's not Vedic, but since almost all devotees are taking other non-Vedic preparations like ice creams, cakes, bread, etc., we do not think it is different to eat vegetarian sausages and non-alcoholic beer. It is only in our mind that we connect these things with something sinful. They are actually pure, and even some ISKCON sannyasis are doing that also. Well, there's one little formula which everyone can learn. It's called Krishnarte Akhila Cheshta. Everything should be done for the satisfaction of Krishna. Very simple formula, which is the basic motto of devotional service. If we just learn this, then so many questions like this won't come. Does Krishna want me to do this? By doing this, is it favorable for my advancement in devotional service? Is Krishna pleased? Is Prabhupada pleased? That's all you have to think. And then so many questions like this won't come. There's no need even to go into all this. There's no meat inside, there's no alcohol inside. But does Krishna want? Does Krishna want us to offer him vegetarian sausages? Imitation meat? It's not a difficult question to answer. Even some ISKCON sannyasis are doing that. Well, Hare Krishna. I offer my respects to them. And I would suggest that sannyasis have to act in an ideal way in all respects. And be always aware that if a sannyasi gives even a little room, little indication of sense gratification, then his followers will, there's a saying in English you probably have in your language, give an inch and they'll take a mile. It must be in your language also. There's some similar saying. Srila Prabhupada once, he took some 7-Up, because that's nice for digestion, fizzy drink. But then after some time he heard, on the basis of that, he heard that devotees, they were bringing crates and crates of 7-Up. Prabhupada said, just stop that, that's all. Prabhupada took that for digestion, and then devotees are bringing crate loads. Just stop that, that's all. Actually, I think it's good if our devotees, they spend some time in India, and not just in the dhams, but go out, travel, preach, mix with the people, and see how people expect you to behave as a sadhu. Just like you said to me that you don't like, even in public, you don't like Gokul Chand, you don't even like to take a coconut in public, because for a sadhu, it doesn't look good. Actually, in Indian culture, people, they won't eat in public even. It used to be like that. Now it's changed. But in the 1970s, I used to see on the train, long train journey, Bombay to Calcutta, 36 hours. So you have to eat in the train. And people, they would tie a sari all around so that no one can see they're eating. Prabhupada also used to sometimes sit with his face to the wall, so that even the servant serving him wouldn't see. That's the culture. It's just, if we bring in the consciousness of sense gratification, then everything's finished. Festiveness is there, but not sense gratification. There's a difference. How would anyone want to eat vegetarian sausage? I mean, that means you're actually attracted to meat. Is that what it means? It seems like that. It's cultivating a very tamasic, what shall I say, attraction. Anyway, some sannyasis are doing that. So if you like that, you go. You become a follower of that sannyasi. If you like. But it's not that everything gives the same result. It's not that you can act in any way you like and you'll get the same result. Bhakti means vairagya vidya. Detachment and knowledge. So there's a difference.